Hi, in this video we are going to unbox BLACK+DECKER pressure washer. This pressure washer can be used for car wash and home use. Pressure washing is useful for businesses and homeowners to reduce allergies, minimize hazards, and improve aesthetics. BLACK+DECKER manufactures high-quality power tools and hand tools that are engineered to make operation easier and convenient. The box includes pressure washer, gun with safety catch, detergent dispenser, garden connector, hose, water filter, and a tip cleaner. This pressure washer features a high-efficiency spray gun with nozzles for easier cleaning. It has a large PU hose and lance extension for better handling and access. This pressure washer is engineered to provide a powerful water flow. It delivers a faster and efficient cleaning action on multiple surfaces. It offers a universal maximum flow rate of 7.1 litre per minute for hassle-free clearing. This power tool has an optimized sound management system for efficient operation. It is ideal for use by business and homeowners to maintain clean surroundings without any hassle. This pressure washer is backed up by a powerful motor that delivers optimum performance. It generates high power output of 1400 watts that is perfect for quick cleaning operations. This heavy-duty pressure washer offers 105 bars of pressure for aggressive cleaning. It generates high flow for cleaning on rigid surfaces without any inconvenience. High-efficiency spray gun with both adjustable spray nozzle and rotary nozzle included. The detergent dispenser is used to siphon detergent from the tank and mix it with the high-pressure water spray.